What made you book this call?
It seems that I need some help approaching and talking to somebody. Leave aside a relationship, I even have issues making friends as well.
How much would you rate your dating life at this point of time?
There is no dating life, so I don't know how am I supposed to rate it. I had tried once in college, but it didn't turn out very good.
Did you ever approach a person randomly?
Yeah, I do sometimes, but I'm not able to carry the conversation forward or exchange some personal information apart from names.
I've had wanted to talk to someone and you were not able to talk to someone.
तब शायद कॉन्फिडेंस की थोड़ी बहुत कमी थी। मेरा कुछ ऐसा स्टेटस था नहीं वैसे, तो जब जॉब लगी तो थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, पर तब तक तो कुछ था नहीं, सो इसीलिए कॉन्फिडेंस की बहुत कमी होती थी।
Hello. Hi.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Pune.
You're from Pune. And what do you do?
Currently, I'm working as a software engineer in MNC.
It would be great if you can also come on the camera so that we can have a good conversation.
Yeah, sure.
So you are working in MNC right now, and you are from Pune. How old are you?
23.
You are 23. How long you have been working?
1.5 year past.
1.5. What made you book this call?
Well, since I haven't had no relationships yet, and it seems that I need some help approaching and talking to somebody. Like, leave aside a relationship, I even have issues making friends as well. Friends that stay, actually.
How much would you rate your dating life at this point of time?
There is no dating life, so I don't know how am I supposed to rate it.
Okay, so there has been no dating life till now.
Right.
Okay. You're 23. And
I had tried once in college, but it didn't turn out very good.
where do you really think is the biggest problem with you in terms of your dating life? Why you never had somebody, or why were you not around women?
I don't know. Since the start, like in the first year, I'm saying until 12th standard, I was brought up in a small town, so it was daily taboo for me or any boy to be talking to a girl. And once I came into college, I was overwhelmed by the all the environment. And once I started to get hang of everything, the lockdown started. And when I came here in the fourth year, I had actually started my internship. So I did not have any much college interaction as much as I was supposed to have. After that, I just joined the job. So there has been no scope. And even in my workplace, there's a lot less female percentage.
Okay. So I do understand that in your college or in your school, or in your first part of your life, there were no interactions, and that made you feel uh little uneasy in terms of when you have to go and talk to women particularly, or you have to start that. Did you ever approach a person randomly?
Well, yeah, I do sometimes, but I'm not able to carry the conversation forward or exchange some personal information apart from names.
So if I say that कि मान ले तू एक बंदी है जो तेरी क्लास में है, तेरे कॉलेज में है, तेरी क्लास में है, उस वो तेरे को पसंद है, लेकिन उससे वह तू कभी बात नहीं कर पाया। उसका रीज़न क्या?
Has it ever happened? I've had wanted to talk to someone and you were not able to talk to someone.
तब शायद कॉन्फिडेंस की थोड़ी बहुत कमी थी, क्योंकि तब मेरा कुछ मतलब मैं तब सोचता था कि अभी मेरा कुछ ऐसा स्टेटस था नहीं वैसे, तो जब जॉब लगी तो थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, पर तब तक तो कुछ था नहीं, सो इसीलिए कॉन्फिडेंस की बहुत कमी होती थी।
And now, what is the problem that you're facing, that there are no women around you?
हाँ, मतलब जहाँ जैसा मेरा स्ट्रक्चर है कि मैं जॉब और घर रूम इसके अलावा बहुत कम बाहर जाता हूँ। सोशल गैदरिंग्स वगैरह भी बहुत कम जाता हूँ, तो इस वजह से हो सकता है।
Do you not regularly go out? Is that what you're saying?
हाँ, मतलब वैसे सोशल गैदरिंग्स वगैरह जनरली ज़्यादा होते नहीं है बट
Okay, what is the reason behind that? Is it the that work time is so bad, या फिर तेरा मन ही नहीं करता, या फिर you don't have a lot of friends to go out with? What is the reason?
ज़्यादा दोस्त भी नहीं होते और पूरा मतलब पूरे वीकडेज़ में तो काम और जिम वगैरह ये सब ही चलता रहता है। तो वीकेंड्स मिलते हैं तभी शायद ज़्यादा दोस्त नहीं है तो हो जाता है।
I'll tell you how you can approach first place. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा environment change, ठीक है, you'll have to find places according to your hobbies. मतलब कुछ अपनी hobbies, मतलब this is the basic structure one can follow. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसी hobbies ट्राई कर सकता है सीखने का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तू जिम जाता है, जिम की जगह क्या ऐसी एक्टिविटी कर सकता है विच विल हेल्प यू टू वर्क ऑन योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो, बट ऑल्सो इट विल हेल्प यू टू मीट people around who have very similar sort of interests. For example, you can go to do calisthenics, MMA, different number of things that you can do. And you'll find more number of women over there. You can try to interact with them. You can do a lot of things where some sort of interest that you can find. Health hata de. May say you like reading books. You are an intellectual person. You can go and read books in a library. You can find बुक स्टॉल्स जहाँ पे मतलब कुछ मार्केट्स होती है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे बुक्स वो और ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. यू कैन गो देयर एंड यू फाइंड लाइक माइंडेड पीपल. सो दिस इज वन वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग लाइक माइंडेड वुमेन अराउंड यू एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ वुमेन दैट यू कैन डेट. ठीक है, नाउ then there is one more thing, which is you'll have to go out on a regular basis. You'll have to just build a habit of doing things that you're doing back at home to doing the same things outside your home. For an example, I mostly sit back home and Monday to Friday में मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता. मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ, ऑफिस से घर आता हूँ, जिम जाता हूँ, उसके बाद घर का खाना वाना खा के सो जाता हूँ. Why should I not go on a Saturday, on a Thursday evening to have lunch, to have dinner outside home? I'll find a new place every week. मतलब फिक्स कर लेता हूँ मैं कि मैं Thursdays को या Tuesdays को या Wednesdays को किसी एक दिन या 2 दिन I'll just go and eat at a really good place. Monday to Friday मैं वही चीजें कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक दिन मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ. अगर मेरे को ऐसा बाहर कोई ऐसा दिख रहा है, then I know how to approach. तो वो जो how to approach वाला पार्ट है वो भी आएगा. We'll talk about it as well. But अभी we are talking about how you can increase the number of interactions that you can have. First interaction करने के लिए you should have people around you, right? You just look forward to those days particularly to meet more women. ठीक है, मान ले डेली की एक एक्टिविटी बना ले where you need to go out and that will be a different place. This will actually improve your social life in general. जरूरी नहीं है that you have to need a person to go out with. You don't have a person to go out with. You can go alone. You can go and go with someone else with. दोनों में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो this will help you to improve your social life. First तो social confidence बढ़ेगा इससे. ठीक है, दूसरा is once you are going there, once you are going out, make eye contact with people. Try some people जिनके साथ तू random conversations build कर सकता है. Anytime you are going out, घर से रात को grocery लेने जा रहा है या फिर कुछ सामान लेने जा रहा है, नीचे तक गया, तू वॉक करने निकला, गार्डन में गया, पार्क में गया, कोई दिखा, उनसे एक random conversation की. Do you come here really often? Do you practice? Do you come to the gym daily? How long you have been coming to this gym? And give them a high five. भाई कितने टाइम से आ रहे हो आप? How are you? What's your day? How was your day? Building those random conversation will help you more to be more interactive. And then your mind will not feel that it is a very difficult thing to do. ठीक है? तो first is you'll have to be out. You'll have to be at places where you can find women to approach, and then from there you can actually learn how to approach, and from there you will increase the number of approaches that you do. What is the biggest problem that you feel in terms of approaching?
वही की बात आगे बात करनी क्या है वैसे जाके, क्योंकि ऐसे सामने से अगर जाऊँगा तो थोड़ा-सा क्रीप लगेगा, इसीलिए जाता नहीं हूँ. बट कभी-कभार अगर कुछ मतलब फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लाइब्रेरी में गया था मैं 2 हफ्ते पहले, तो हाँ, ऐसे ही कोई बुक्स देख रही थी तो मैं साइड में जाके एक बेसिक कन्वर्सेशन चालू कर दिया था. इसमें थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा चल भी रहा था, बट फिर वो चली गई. मतलब ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ नहीं पाया वो कन्वर्सेशन.
I understand, but the point is कि वो conversation तब खत्म हो गया होगा जब तेरे पास कुछ नहीं होगा बोलने के लिए, और she must have, फिर वो निकल गई होगी. मतलब what the other person will do, मतलब जब conversation खत्म हो जाएगी, तेरे पास कुछ ऑफर करने के लिए नहीं है, she'll leave, right? So is that what happened?
अ मैं ऐसा नहीं कह सकता, शायद उसे कहीं जाना भी था, बट ऐसा हो भी सकता है.
तो नहीं, ऐसा भी हो सकता है that उसको एक्चुअली कहीं जाना हो और वो चली गई, और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि बिकॉज तेरे पास कोई कुछ ऑफर करने के लिए ना हो तो उसने बहाना बना के, बिकॉज अगर दोनों ही शांत हो जाओगे तो वियर्ड सा हो जाएगा, राइट? बहुत ऑकवर्ड हो जाएगा वो साइलेंस। तो द पर्सन विल, कोई बहाना बना के द पर्सन विल वांट टू लीव। रादर व्हाट इफ आई सेड say that there are different ways that you can tackle this. Stimulation होता है, you have to find a common area of interest between you and her. You'll try to talk about 5, 6, 8 different topics in next 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And in those 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, there will be something that she can relate to.
Hmm.
अगर मैं अलग अलग चीजें ट्राई करूंगा, मान ले मेरे को एक बंदी मिली, एक तो मैंने उसकी ड्रेसिंग के बेस पे उससे एक कन्वर्सेशन चालू कर दी, एक कन्वर्सेशन मैं एनवायरनमेंट के बेसिस पे चालू कर सकता हूँ, एक कन्वर्सेशन मैं अपने हिसाब से चालू कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन टॉक अबाउट मी, आई कैन टॉक अबाउट हर, एंड आई कैन टॉक अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट. देन आई विल टॉक अबाउट where does she come from. It will relate to something. Then I'll try to tell a story around that. And maybe with that story, she can relate to something and she'll start talking to me. So initially, she was just responding to me. But later on, once we got an assumed connection between me and her, slowly she started not just responding me, but she started replying back to me. एक होता है रिस्पॉन्ड करना, एक होता है रिप्लाई करना, एक होता है कि बात करना खुद की तरफ से. देन इट बिकम्स अ डायलॉग. इनिशियली इट वाज अ मोनोलॉग, but then it became a dialogue. ठीक है? So there are a lot of things that you can work, and then again you'll have to make her feel different emotions. तुम जो बात करते हो वो सिर्फ एक कन्वर्सेशन नहीं होती, वो सिर्फ वर्ड्स नहीं होते. You have to share different emotions with them. और वो emotions बहुत important होते हैं to make the other person feel more comfortable with you. The first part of this entire interaction should be building attraction. Second part should be building comfort. Third should be building seduction. So that it goes into an intimate or or a dating sort of a scenario for you, right? You can convey that, oh, I really like your vibe or something like that, right? So this is how you can go. There is a step by step method to it, but if I'll tell you in a very simple way, बहुत simple तरीके से अगर इसको line up करूँ मैं तेरे लिए, it will be more about approach. Approaches होती कैसे हैं? Social anxiety होती है या फिर हमको rejection का डर होता है, इसलिए हम नहीं करते. How to overcome that is, you don't, rejections are not about you. If there is a rejection which is more about you, which you cannot, which you will take it in your heart, you have to accept the rejection कि हाँ ठीक है, I am selfish, I am कि मैं किसी भी लड़की से बात कर लेता हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें. I am that guy who would love to talk to people and who would love to know more people. And खास करके those people who would love, who I really find myself attracted to. So I love to go and say hi to them. What's wrong with that? I've been that person. That's nothing wrong about it. So rejections, yeah, I'll have to handle in the best possible manner. Social anxiety को टैकल करते हैं. एक तो मैंने तेरे को ये बताया कि try making conversation so that it becomes easy for you. Social anxiety को टैकल करने का दूसरा तरीका ये है कि once you are going out, एक तो तूने को regular basis पे just start talking to people and different number of things, right? और इसके अलावा what you can do is कि जब भी तू बाहर जा रहा है, approach within 3 to 5 seconds. अगर कोई तेरे को actually पसंद आ रहा है ना, go and approach them within 3 to 5 seconds. Don't give them so much of time कि तू जितना ज़्यादा सोचेगा उतने ज़्यादा reasons तेरे को मिल जाएंगे. Your mind is only telling you it's a dangerous situation, don't go and get into it. Anything new that you will do, your mind will tell you कि भाई ये dangerous है, इसको मत कर. Anything that you will try to do, it is nothing. कोई भी नई चीज़ करने से पहले anxiety feel हो. तो these are the ways you can use if you really want to learn this on a longer term. कि you want to improve on your dating life. I have certain programs through which I teach it. If you want to stay connected on a long term and you want somebody around you who can actually help you with that, you can join one of my programs as well. This call was basically a consultation call. So, agar you think that this is more than enough for you, you can go and try all this in your life and you can improve on this. Otherwise, I have different programs as well. If you're interested for that, we can talk about it. जानकारी पहले ये सकता हूँ. Okay, yeah, for sure. तो भाई मतलब what really happens in the program is we are going to give you a step by step method. ठीक है, we'll give you a proper footprint sort of a thing. ठीक है, you'll have to learn that, start implying. Regular base पे we'll have our sessions, where they're Q&A sessions where you can come and ask all of your doubts. Okay, and on that, where from there we'll take you forward. What we really teach you is female psychology. We'll try to teach you about social dynamics. What is your body language? What should be your body language when you go and approach? And see, most of this attraction building thing is non-verbal thing. It's not your words that makes a woman attracted to you. It's your non-verbal that makes a woman attracted to you. So there are two different programs through which I can come in and teach you, and that is, one is a mentorship program where I'll be around you for next 2 months. There is a normal program where I'll give you the entire thing to learn. You will get on it. You'll get to understand the entire psychology behind this and all the theory that goes on. You'll have to go and implement it on your own. But this call was to just talk to you and find you like some basic solutions to better your dating life. Okay,
Open exam solutions.
give it a try, man, for sure.
I don't know.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.